Nice.
Oh, that's pretty. And you know what? That's one of my favorite flowers.
It
Orchid.
really
I
is beautiful.
I love that flower.
Really is
I
beautiful.
think
It looks just like an orchid.
Yeah,
Okay.
it looks good. And the colors you chose for your glass are gorgeous. Way to go.
Very nice. Okay, this is great here. Stained Glass by Dewey. Harris Durham is his name. He writes, I am 95 years old and started stained glass when I was 92. This is my first stained glass lamp done in 2023, mostly done with wheeled nippers, grinder, and a ring saw. I didn't really know how to cut glass. Thanks to Ed and ARTyRV shows, I am just now gaining a little proficiency. Love the Silbersnit 4000 and the Afterburner. Help my scoring and cutting. Thank you, Harris Durham.
Oh, and congratulations. Keep it up, man.
Beautiful work.
Beautiful work. Keep it up.
Congratulations is right.
Wow.
Okay.
That really turned out gorgeous, Barbara.
And this is Barb Caldwell, and there's a page missing from this, but I do know that this is a relative of Barbara's, and she took this from a photograph. And she included a quote by William Van Horn, "Nothing is too small to know, and nothing too big to attempt."
Wow, and that looks like she used, I don't know what color that iridescent glass is, but that's gorgeous. Barb, that's really pretty. I don't have any
Where's
more
the other
papers.
page?
I don't have any more papers.
Okay.
No.
All right.
There's nothing. I'm sorry.
Barbara Caldwell.
Barbara, congratulations. That's really
Beautiful
pretty.
piece, Barbara.
And the way that you left that his left leg full without trying to split it up, I think just at the above the knee there, looks
Yeah,
really good.
it looks great.
It didn't put any weak spots or what everybody calls a hinge joint. You don't have to worry about any of that. That's really pretty.
Beautiful.
And congratulations to everybody who entered and brought their work to the Viewer Showcase this year. And remember, this month. And remember, guys, all you do is take a photograph of your work, put a little note with it, and send it to viewershowcase@gmail.com.
That's right. Thank you very much.
It's gorgeous, y'all. What a beautiful,
Great job, y'all.
Great job, everybody. Wow.
Yeah, we were shuffling the paperwork, and I guess some of the papers got cut off by the copier, and I apologize. I'll do better next week. So keep sending those cards and letters. We appreciate it.
Yep, that's right. We do. And we appreciate all of our viewers. And I want to, again, thank everybody for coming in tonight. And we still have some things to do. We're going to, are we going to give that box away tonight?
Does the chat, yeah, we're going to give it away. If you're watching on TV, someone said the chat is blocking the showcase. Just go back on the rerun. I'm watching it on the.
Yeah, we're on the laptop.
We're on a full screen.
On a full screen computer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how that works.
Yeah, and I'm not sure how it works.
Just go back and watch it on your computer, your laptop, or your phone, and you should be able to see it.
Yeah, shouldn't be any.
And you should be able to take the chat off and see it.
Yeah, you can hide the chat.
Okay. Oh, Barbara said it was the Yakagani black iridized that she used. Beautiful glass.
Beautiful.
The colors that you picked were awesome.
Yeah, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Oh.
Okay.
Thank you, Barbara.
I think we can do the drawing for the glass box.
Okay, here you go.
Okay. So.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty, huh? That's gorgeous, right?
The magic bowl.
The magic bowl.
Okay.
The magic bowl. All right. So I'm going to shake it up.
Shake it up. Shake it up.
Shake it up. I'm just gonna mix them up, and there's nothing in my hand. I'm gonna let Barbara reach in here.
Okay.
Turn your head. Okay, Barbara's gonna pull out the name of the glass box, and when we pull your name, what we'll need you to do is go to viewershowcase@gmail.com and send us your shipping information so that we can get it to you.
Rebecca Grubbs.
Okay. Rebecca.
I don't know if Rebecca's here
don't know
tonight,
if
but I'll
she's
get
not.
in touch with her. I can email her.
Okay, because we need a shipping address for
Okay.
Rebecca. That's awesome. So that's the box. And remember now, next month we're going to be giving away another box of glass. So, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere.
Okay,
And
hand me that right there.
this right here?
Yeah,
Okay, here we go. This is another giveaway.
this is a large. This is a large t-shirt.
So if you win this shirt, y'all, throw it in the dryer. It'll shrink, right? Maybe.
No,
I doubt it
won't
because it's a
shrink. It
Gideon.
won't shrink.
Yeah, it's a Gildan
It's a
shirt.
good quality shirt, and I think it's soft. It's soft. It's nice.
So we're gonna do a drawing for the large T-shirt. Now remember, here again, send us your shipping or your mailing address information to viewershowcase@gmail.com, and the winner for this is Laurie Wolf.
Laurie Wolf. I think she's a new member.
She
Is
is.
she here tonight?
I don't know.
Okay. I'll put that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Congratulations,
So
Laurie.
we're gonna give away a hand foiler now.
Okay.
We're gonna give away that hand foiler. Barbara's gonna pick out the winner for that one.
Okay. Oh, it's Jules. Jules, don't you have one already? I think Jules said she had one. Did you say you had one?
Yeah, she just wanted to know how to use it correctly. So you just want another one, Jules. We'll get that. Send Barbara your shipping information, please, to the viewershowcase@gmail.com.
Okay. I think she said she had one. Was it Jules that said she had one?
I believe it is. So, so here's an ARTyRV hat, Barbara. I want you to do a drawing for that.
Okay.
We're going to give away an ARTyRV hat, and we'll be shipping this to you as well. Here we go.
Okay. Susan Weisenberger.
Oh, Susan. Hey.
Okay.
All right, and y'all know, today is Susan's birthday. She's not here tonight because I'm sure she's out for her birthday. So I'd like everybody to give her a big happy birthday, and I want to congratulate everybody, all of our winners tonight
Yes.
for the live stream. So the box will be coming to you. You can look for that. It'll be coming U.S. Postal Service, and everything else will be coming USPS as well. And wow, that's awesome, guys.
Yeah, I was just checking to see who said they had the foiler, but anyway.
I believe it was
Okay.
Jules. Yeah,
All right.
I believe it was. Yeah,
Okay.
I believe it was
Anyway.
Jules.
So happy birthday to everybody who's having a birthday tonight.
Yeah,
And
and,
congratulations for the winners.
I think we'll give one more thing away, Barb.
What's that?
A roll of 7/32 copper foil.
Ooh.
Okay,
that's
so
a
we're going to
good
give
one.
away a roll of 7/32 copper foil. Hold on.
7/32 copper foil.
7/32. Oh, this must be a long one because it's folded
Somebody's long name.
up. What is it? Kelly Naranjo.
Okay, Kelly.
Kelly?
You are the winner of
A
7/32.
roll of 7/32 foil.
So you'll be getting an email from me asking for your mailing address so that we can mail you the prizes.
Okay, so we gave away 5 prizes tonight, y'all, and the box will be given away again next month. So if you want to be in the drawing for the box next month, make sure that make sure that you're a member of the fan club, and also send to viewershowcase@gmail.com. Just type in yes, and that way then puts your name in for the drawing for the box of glass.
So you have to be a member by February 28th
Right.
to be in the March drawing.
Yeah, so
So
that's
we'll
great. And you guys, we have a lot our viewers like Karen and the other gentleman. They just gave away 10 memberships tonight. So if you're not a member, grab one of those for the month, and if everything that you just stick around, just stay with it. But yeah, so that's a free membership for the month, and we want to thank you guys for doing that. And thank you guys for saying happy birthday to Susan.
She'll appreciate
she'll
that.
appreciate it
She'll
very
watch
much.
it and she'll see it.
Yeah.
Kathleen wants to know where she can get a straight edge like the purple one we have. It's
Well, they
on
only
our-
make them in, I think they're in tan now, but they are on our Amazon page. If you go to the ARTyRV channel, and right at the very top, you'll click on the page and click on the tools page. They're right there. This is a 12-inch square. Guys, if y'all don't have a square in your tool arsenal, you need to get one. And those of you that are coming to the cutting and soldering class, I'm going to teach you how to use this tool correctly that weekend. We're gonna work with it extensively, and you're gonna learn how to use it. So, but a square in your tool arsenal, guys, is one of the best things you can have besides your running pliers, your grousing pliers, and your glass cutter.
Okay, everyone.
I think we're good.
You know what?
Do we have any more giveaways?
No, I don't know, Ed. What do you got in your little bag of tricks over there? No, we don't. We're going to save them for next month.
Okay. I thought I did, but I
Okay,
don't.
you don't.
So don't forget, guys, the new ARTyRV t-shirts are out. Chase the run and down and away.
Down and away, and we got some new hats, and I hope to get some more shirts in because I got a beautiful purple one I want you to wear for Valentine's Day. So, and
Yeah, so
down
this
and
is-
away.
This is my 3X shirt that I just got. Check this out, guys. Look at the smear on this one.
Don't you love that navy blue with the got glass
Got
on
glass.
it? I love it. I love it. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in tonight. I updated the member list, so you're at the end of the...
Happy birthday to those birthday viewers.
Yes, so you're at the end of the chat, and you'll see your name on the...
Yeah,
page,
we'll load
and-
up all the new members
and I don't
next
know how
week.
I'm going to fit all the members.
We'll
We
have
may
to add another
3
page.
pages. We have 2 pages of members now. We may be adding 3. So,
Oh,
thank you, everyone.
Okay.
What?
no, I was thinking we
Oh, thank you, everyone.
just want to show that to everybody.
We may give that away in December,
Yeah,
the end of the year.
end of the year.
We'll give the bowl away.
This is really pretty, y'all.
Okay. Yeah, that would be good. At the end of the year, we'll give this away. Okay.
All right, so but until then, we're going to be drawing out of it every month.
Okay, everyone.
I'm going to put it right here so we don't take it to the shop and sell it.
Thank you, everyone, for
Hey,
tuning
everybody,
in.
for the ARTyRV channel, I'm Ed.
And I'm Barb.
Good
Thank
night,
you.
everybody.
We love you.